Building, building. This office building is 2 stories tall and has a car park at the doorstep. Canary, canary. A canary is a small bird. Chickens, chickens. A group of chickens walks along a pathway, pecking at the ground as they go. Dolphins, dolphins. A group of dolphins swam past us while we were swimming in the ocean. Elephants, elephants. 3 elephants walk away from a watering hole. Family, family. The family decided to go for a walk together at the beach on the last night of their holiday. Farm, farm. Cows walk around the paddock at the farm. The farm also has chickens and sheep in other paddocks. Flowers, flowers. The butterfly is about to land on one of the flowers. Fox, fox. A fox walks into the river to take a drink. Garden, garden. The house had a large garden area behind it with a chair on a swing and a greenhouse behind it around the corner. Hen, hen. A hen is a female chicken. Jeans, jeans. The skateboarder wears a pair of blue jeans to cover his legs. Moon, moon. The moon orbits the Earth every 27 days. Music, music. The woman is playing some music on a violin. Pet, pet. The dog is a family pet and it goes just about everywhere with them. Other families keep cats, birds, and other animals as pets. Piano, piano. The music school have a piano for students to practice on when they aren't having lessons. Starfish, starfish. I went snorkeling and saw a starfish at the bottom of the ocean. Stove, stove. The chef turned on the stove after putting a fry pan containing some cooking oil on it. Swan, swan. A swan sits on some eggs and is laid at its nest. Tennis, tennis. The local sporting club has a tennis court people can book and play games at. T-shirt, t-shirt. The woman wears a black t-shirt